Welcome to the serene Ridgebury section of Ridgefield, where this charming 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath Cape Cod awaits. The first floor main bedroom suite boasts a full bath with a jetted tub and separate shower stall. Newly installed central air conditioning throughout. New French doors and windows on the main level enhance the spacious family room with soaring ceilings, built-in bookcases, wood beams, an audio system, and a cozy wood-burning stove. The recently updated kitchen features new French doors to the deck and stainless steel appliances. Crown molding and California closets throughout the home. There is also a new hot water heater, exterior drainage, and a newer driveway, as well as a generator switch box offering added convenience to this bucolic, level corner property with several stone walls and a split rail fence, set on a quiet country road near shopping and a golf course. Truly a centrally located gem in a peaceful setting.